In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into one of Divi 5's new feature, the clamp function. If you want your heading font sizes to scale perfectly across all screen sizes without writing a single media query, you're going to like this. So, what exactly is clamp? It's a CSS function that lets you define a value that scales between a minimum and maximum based on the viewport size. For example, start at 2 rem, grow with 6% of the viewport width, but don't go above 50 pixels. This is perfect for heading font sizes. Let me show you how it works. I'll start by using the new heading module and switching to the Design tab. Under Heading Text Font Size, choose Clamp from the drop-down menu. Now, you can set 3 values. First, set the minimum to 2 rem. This ensures the heading never gets smaller than that. Next, set the scaling value to 6 VW. This means the heading will scale with 6% of the viewer's screen width. Finally, set the maximum to 50 pixels, so the heading never grows larger than 50 pixels. Let's take a look at how this works on the front end. I'll open up the browser's inspector so we can see the CSS in action. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the font size is defined using clamp. Right now, the font is at its maximum value of 50 pixels. It won't get any larger, no matter how wide the screen gets. Now, as I start shrinking the browser window, watch what happens. The middle value, 6 VW, kicks in and becomes the active size. When I hover over it, you can see it's currently calculating to around 44 pixels. If I keep reducing the window width, the font eventually hits its minimum size, which is 2 rem. So this one line of CSS is smoothly controlling the font size across all screen sizes. No breakpoints, no extra code. That's the power of clamp. Let me show you one more powerful feature you can use in Divi 5. You can actually create a global variable for your clamp value and reuse it across all your headings. Here's how. Click on the global variable icon, then go to the Numbers tab and click Add Global Number. Give your variable a name. This can be anything for your own reference. I'll call mine H1 since it will control the size of my H1 titles. In the Value field, choose Clamp and then enter your preferred minimum, ideal, and maximum values. Once that's set, click Save Variables. Now, when you go back to any heading's font size setting, click the global variable icon again and simply select the variable you just created. You can repeat this for your other heading levels, H2, H3, and so on. The best part? If you ever want to adjust all your H1 sizes across the site, just update that one global variable, and every element using it will update automatically. It's fast, efficient, and keeps your design system super consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more Divi 5 tips like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.